Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make image transparent in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose templates to create a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to Upload button. We can upload file button to upload the image from your desktop, or we can use three-dot menu to upload the image from your apps. I will go back and I upload the image before, so I pick an image. I use this image as a background, so I use right click and set image as a background. Next, I add another image. I pick this. If you want to make it semi-transparent, we can select the image and go to top option bar. We can find transparency. Click and adjust the value to make it semi-transparent. If we set it to 0, we can make it totally transparent. I will go back to 100. If you want to make a transparent gradient, we can select the image and then we can go to apps. Let me check apps over here. And then we can search image blender. Spelling mistake. And then we can click to search it. And then click image blender. We can choose linear, radial, and brush. I will use linear. And then we can adjust it for the gradient effects. And we can change the strength. If we're happy with this, we can go to save it. So this is how we can make image transparent in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.